Hey, see me see wahala. I come market with 100,000 naira, thinking say I go buy plenty things. Now see, now only small tomato and pepper the money even fit buy. At this point, I have to start planting for backyard. Because tell me why this woman they tell me say this small tomato na 100,000. Now only tomato and pepper will go chop for house. The way una they add money for markets now, Even people where they import market from China, no they add money reach una. Abeg, make I go buy another thing, biko.
Madam, no vex o. This tomato na for cooking, abi na for investment. Because even gold and silver no cost like this. If I buy am now, na inheritance I dey keep for my children.
Will you like your picture just like this mine? To speak anything, you can make it to teach, to say anything that you want it to say, all for free. This is beautiful and amazing, right? Everything for free. And if this is what you would love to learn, then you're in the right place, because right now, I'm going to show you how I got everything for free. And not just that, I'll also show you a trick on how to get the best result. Are you ready? I know you are excited. Let's jump right into the video. Okay, so to make your AI image to talk, it is simply easy to do if you get your prompts right. And that is why I always like to use Claude to get my images, my prompts, right? So right now, I'll come over to Claude. I already told it, I want you to give me a prompt of blah, 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 right? This is it right here. A close-up shot of a beautiful Igbo Nigerian woman. You have to put Nigerian woman or American person depending on who you want to generate. This is what will determine if your video will come out looking good. Your video and your image are just, in fact, your image is more like you need to work on your image. If your image is okay, then you generate a good video. Now you need to listen. The person, I didn't say that, let me show you something. I told it she should be wearing beautiful Ankara wrapper. So let me look for that. Something I want to show you all before we start creating our video, because everything here will determine if your video will look good or not. Okay, this is it. Short at eye level. I want her face to be shown, not everybody's face. So don't go and capture everybody in the market. All of them will be talking, If you get everybody's face where they are looking at each other, and when you prompt it, everybody will be talking. So whenever you are generating your image, make sure that it is the person that you want to talk for it to see their faces. Now let me go over here. I'll go over to Pixlumen right here. This is Pixlumen. Okay, let me go open another tab and search Pixlumen. So this is Pixlumen here. I want to show you how the website looks. Okay, this is it right here. This purple, you can see this purple, right? So it will show you different ones. I don't know why it's still showing this. I want to show you how Pixlumen looks like. Pixlumen. Okay, so this is it right here. Let me zoom it. This is Pixlumen, all right, because you see a lot of them right here. So this is the purple one right here that you will choose. Okay, then once you are here, let me zoom again. Here at the left hand side, you see video, you see image. You click on image, all right. This is it right here. They will give you free 10 credits every day to generate any image of your choice. All you need to do is to paste your image prompt. You will log in using your email. Okay, once you log in, look at this right here, aspect ratio. This is it right here, aspect ratio. You click on these three dots. Okay, for this one you won't be able to see for TikTok size or for YouTube size. You have to click on these three dots right here. And then for me, I'll always go by 16:9. That is the YouTube size. But for you, if you want to post on TikTok, it should be 9:16. It's just the reverse, the opposite of YouTube is TikTok and Instagram. Okay, so I'll put it to this and then click on the empty space, and that is it. So for this one, I'll generate just one image. If I have some image that I want it to look like, I'll simply click on this character reference right here and upload any reference image. Okay, if I have any one, I'll just open up maybe this one. I'll just upload it. There's the one I already generated. Okay, as you can see, there's this reference right here, right? But I'll have to remove it. I removed it. I do not need it. Please note that almost in all cases, you have to generate 2 or more to get what you want, and that is fine. So go ahead to generate the first one, then you tweak it to get exactly what you want, right? Just calm down and do this thing. They will give you 10 free credits daily, right? So now, once you paste your prompt and do this, there's nothing much to do. You simply click on generate right here, and it will only cost you 1 credit to generate your image, and you wait for it. As you can see, our image is generating right here. It still did not give me what I want. I have to prompt again and again to get exactly what I want. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps YouTube show it to more creators like you who will find this video helpful. Since I already have the image, I will go ahead and use the image that I already have. But this is how you get, just like I said, the first image won't give you what you want. Okay, you have to go back to Claude, tweak your prompt, tell it a Nigerian woman, a fair person, this and that. Okay, so with this right now, we are done with our image. Okay, so this is how you generate your image. It is free. You can generate up to 10. So before you go up to 3, you must have gotten exactly what you want. And if you need this one, because this mine is very beautiful, you can just tell me, I will send it to you. All right, but use this and generate as many as you can, so that everybody will not get the same image, but you can still try out with it. So if you need it, just let me know. Right now we have gotten our image. The next step is to creating our video. This is where I love most. I love to make these images to talk, right? Now we have a beautiful image, and don't forget, just like I said, you can make it a professional image. You can make it anything that you want to wear with your face. That is fine. Any visual that you want, you can wear. You can be in any background of your choice. And now, the next step, let's make it to talk and speak any language of your choice. Are you ready? Let's jump in. So now, all you need to do is to type VO 3 free video generator. This is it right here. Let me zoom. Okay. Please, 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 please. I always see you all in the comments. I don't have iPhone. I don't have laptop. I am back to using my Android to do tutorial videos. For now, no more laptops, so that people will stop complaining. Right now, as you are watching this video, I am doing this exact video right now with my Android phone, so that you will not say that you cannot see anything, whether you are using iPhone, anything. You can do this. Okay, and I have also made a full video on how you can start full YouTube automation from scratch. Like if you want to create a faceless channel, build it and know exactly, I have a video for that, and I will leave it in the comment section. So once you are done learning this, go to the comment section to take that course, because I call it course because people pay a lot of dollars to learn that, but I shared it with you all for free. So go ahead, check the comment section and watch that video, so you will start making money, whether as a side hustle or you want to make it a full-time hustle, at least making up to $500 every single month. Some persons will even quit their job, right? So it depends on how much you are making right now, and I wish you success. So back to what we are doing right now. This is the exact software that we're going to be using right now, the exact tool. So this is it, VO3AI, and the website www.vo3ai. This is it right here. Okay, the purple one as well. Everything we are using today is just purple, and that is fine. And this one too is free, so you don't tell me success. It is working. Okay, it is working, right? Go ahead. The more you do it now, the better for you. It's not after 3 months you start telling me it's not working. There of course you will pay. Okay, some of them will leave it for a longer time, while some will just give the free ones for people to try it out. So you have to start now. Don't wait till next year before you start telling me it's not working. It is working now. I did not pay to generate anything. So right here, what do you want the video to be all about? We are here to create our video. First of all, I'll upload my image. Okay, of course you will log in with your Gmail account. So once you come here, you will log in. This is what you will see. So this is the ones that I have already generated, but let me show you exactly how I created the videos. First, you see prompt enhancement, it will be off. Make sure to turn it on. This will help me and enhance the prompt. Okay, so this is AI prompt. What do you want the woman to say? Go back to Claude. Let me show you. Okay, so I want a dialogue scene where the woman will say, how are you doing today? Hope you are good. Okay, so just give me a prompt. I want her to, be smiling, making hand gestures, humanize the whole prompt. All right. Okay, so right now I will send it. It made a mistake. It said prompt. This is not an image prompt. It should be a dialogue prompt. Okay, I've seen it right here. It gave me the image prompt here. It didn't give it. I want her to say that, like, it should be a video prompt. It should be a video prompt when she's smiling and the rest of it. She should say, how are you today, mama? Hope you are good. Waiting the sub. Okay, just something that she will say. So this is where you tell Claude what you want the person to say. It will organize it in a better way. Okay, so this is it right here. Okay, of course you have to use AI to prompt your videos. AI understands AI better. If you want to make your videos much more better and faster, because some of them still have limits. So if you keep on making mistakes trying to do it yourself, you exhaust your credit. So it is better you tell Claude. It will give you everything at once. So you generate your prompt or your video once and for all. I will paste my prompt right here. Make sure to go through it to make sure that Claude gave you exactly what you want the person to say. Okay, so now the first one, enhance prompts, toggled on. Second one, prompt, done. Third one is to click to upload. I will upload my image right here. This is the image that I will upload. Then I will come down here. Okay, there are the ones that you can use for free and there are the ones that you must pay to use. So you can either use this one, where is it, the Google Lite, or few others. You can test it out and use the ones that they will allow you to use for free. And of course, I'll always put it to 16:9 because my image is already in 16:9. If not, go ahead to change it. All right, you can even leave it at auto ratio. All right, just leave it at that. It doesn't matter. As you can see, 8 seconds. This one, if you put it to this one or this one, it will exhaust your credit so fast. So put it to 720p. All right, this watermark will always be here since we are doing it for free. Okay, but I will show you how to crop it out right now. And as you can see, this is it right here. Once you are done, you just hit on generate and this is it. I think I have generated so much and I have exhausted my credit. So once you hit on generate, you generate your video. This is the last one I generated right here. Let me show you.
They add money for markets now. Person no fit buy anything again.
I want to zoom in so you can see.
People where they import goods from China, no they.
So this is the one that I generated right now. I'll play the video for you to see. Okay, that is why I told you to use AI, because if you keep making mistakes, you generate a little, right? So go ahead, use AI to generate, so you can generate, something reasonable before you exhaust your credit. So now you know how to generate your images. Okay, so I will click here to download this video. Okay, it has downloaded into my phone right now.
Now you know how to make your image to wear anything, be in anywhere, and speak any language of your choice. And this is amazing because you can use it to do many things, and you can even do this for people and collect some dollars from them. Yes.
Okay, so now to edit this video, I will go to InShot to remove the, what is it called, the watermark from the video. Then I will import the video, right? First of all, now if you bring the image into InShot will give it its own watermark. So let me first of all remove that of the InShot. So they will play adverts, so I will have to pause this video for a little time, right? So I will click on this X sign and wait for it to play their advert and then remove the watermark for me. they'll ask you to subscribe or remove it for free. I'll simply click on remove for free and they will start playing adverts. Okay, so everything you are learning right now, you can do it for completely free. Okay, so right now they are done with their own, so let's do our own. As you can see the watermark right here, let me zoom it. Some of you don't even know what is watermark. You can see this view 3 AI dot, that is what is called watermark. All right, let me go back. If you want to go anyway, I'm not teaching you how to edit, so I believe you people knows how to edit, right? So let me just go back. So right now, to remove this watermark, all you need to do is to just zoom this video a little. That is all. You can even zoom it more, right? So this is all. Once you zoom it, and as you can see, it made a mistake. I think it's from Claude. I didn't read that prompt. I regenerated it. That is why the ones you saw at the beginning of this video don't have watermark, right? So make sure yours do not have watermark, and even if it does, just go ahead, tell Claude, let it not have watermark, and that is it. All right, so right now that is how to remove watermark. You can use another way, because sometimes what you have there, the video you have, it's not something that you can just easily squeeze. All right, so all you need to do, I'll just write success Amarachi, then let me put it in a background. No, I want it to be, let me put it, okay, let me do something like this, and then you can even make it smaller. Okay, so you can just use your own watermark. As you can see, this is it right now. Okay, nobody will even know that, oh, this is this right here. Okay, this is enough. This is how to remove the watermark. You can either, I have shown you two options right now, right? You can just zoom it or just use your, as you can see, you can't even know, you would think it's me that just added my name. You can even tweak this name self, right? You can just click on text, go to text, and then use a beautiful font to write your name. This looks beautiful and clean. You don't have to use emoji and make it look rough. Just a simple, adjustment, just like this. Very plain and simple, it's fine, right? So now you know how to generate your images, make it talk, all for free, and still remove the watermark.
So now, like this video and subscribe to this channel. Let me know if you find this video helpful and which part you enjoyed the most. I am Success and I wish you success. I want to see you succeed, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and I will see you soon.